I'm sleeping on waterline. Isia, I'm feeling no cat.
I got a blank, but some takas. I am flung at the gagas.
Go ahead and write the waves like you always do.
It's the jungle beast, no poutine, making hella noise, breaking strong.
Inhlanze ngikhiphe emanzini Gana ufuna iselini
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ellow. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for pulling up. As you know that this is their listening session for Isiphithiphithi, guys. I'm not like rolling alone. I'm with the Broski3s.
Let's go. Jeez. Sabonga for pulling up. Shout out. It means a lot. So this is actually a project of Gales of Puma. It's the Broski3s. So Ellow was busy. We did a joint project. So
yeah, cause like I'm planning a Isiphithiphithi deluxe because since Nandi is not in a tape. Yeah. And sisodwa namuhla kekho Nandi the Broski3s is sure ubaba. So due to izinto Isiphithiphithi. One way. Yo, another thing, bro. Another thing, bro. Like, shout out to my little brother, bro, Toby San, dog.
Back on one of Engomeni, this is a performer. So we're gonna perform the songs. We're not just gonna play the songs only. We're gonna perform them. Meanwhile, camera smooth because we're creatives. I'm gonna stay tuned.
Cause now, like they are sleeping, dog. Like, so I decided to move him, cause like we're planning another project. Yeah, I decided to move him.
Ain't no bad blood. I believe. Yeah. So I'm partially about Shilo.
Speak easy lapho man
Big things
No. You can go ahead with the questions if you have one. It's not like that because very sad. Yes, God, my God. Hey.
But we already dropped the date, bro.
The date was about it. We're gonna drop 30 June, which is a month end. This year.
Smart, bro.
So yeah. This is called high grade. So very.
We understand for them niggas smoking their high grade. Never been alone, watch those niggas smoking their high grade.
How great is that? I'm out here with the greatest Diamond in the sky, buzzing high
Grade on my system. Come around my hood if you want that Nazaza. Small money, big profits, yeah, we got the plot. Yeah, we got the plot, yeah, we never gon' stop.
Man, I hang with a dealer, shawty wanna fuck with winners. Cause we're real, smoking now, smoking cigarette. Keep it 100.
Fuck the cigarette, pass me that ganja.
Yo, bro, where's my phone? Oh, right here, woman.
Nah.
Am I high?
Oh, what's up?
Yes, I'm high.
Let's let people get in.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Shout out to the high grade video.
Yeah, so this is high grade. You're high already. He's high. I think we're gonna continue. Because this was an intro.
Yeah, this was an intro, bro.
This was
like,
an intro, so if ever you got an opinion or whatever you want to
Shit, I call it, dog. Let's say intro.
This stage is yours. This stage is yours. Then we're gonna continue then. Oh, we got one.
Let's go.
Whoa. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
I love it. It's nice. My problem. I have a problem with the adjustment because especially if I want to I work with ladies most of the time and so that I like we are less of a barrier. Tell me how we, especially if I love that song, I want to perform it, and then now there's the F word, it becomes a bit spitty for me.
Yeah, I get it, bro. I get it.
It's nice. Just the F word.
Okay. Anyone else? For continuing. Then it is there. Oh yeah. Alright. Hold up.
Kukhulu vele okuzayo, kukhulu.
You have a nigga guy over there, bro. What's happening?
Chill, man.
Nandi's on the deluxe, bro. Nandi's on the deluxe.
Yeah.
Is she featured?
Yes, she is, but good deluxe. Yes, she is on the project, but good deluxe. There, she couldn't pitch up because it's burning up. Ngapumtwana. It's PTP. It's one of these was
Okushayo. Hey, yazi mangibheka phezulu. Hey.
Shit, pussy one for the cam up here. Big my dog.
Yun nga vela, yun lang, dog. Right.
I pray to God, my soul keep every day, yeah. When I make this tune, fuck is fun, we don't play, yeah. Won't stop living this feel like nigga get paid, yeah. Better to get for play me, treat me like a thing. I've been about it, I don't talk about it, okay. If you get flame, I don't talk about blue tea. If you beat the car, better don't maintain. Better just to feel like starting this ain't only taste. This beat like for me, Papa you give me head. I swear all that beats are the same. She give me head on the headache.
Got them to tell me this yeah. Getting my paper in the head.
Just lean down, it's stuck in my head. I feel this, I'm showing the hell.
Doing this shit for the black on my head. Shawty, she feel like I'm stuck in the top. Shawty, she do not that body so litty. She checking her body, she thinks she's naked. No regulars, bombari botando so, the list goes on.
Tamatiso, demeso, hepuliso, pigiso, ibuaso,
Bugasa, I become like Muela.
bitch, that never see me hanging.
Give me the wrist light, pass the job on this side. full of a weed. That bitch is crazy, she fucking on me.
She fucking with me, yeah.
I'm trying to check some pinda.
Mntwana ukhonza nenchuzi.
I pray to God my soul keep every day, yeah. When I make this doom foggish fun, we don't play, yeah. Won't stop doing these things like nigga get paid, yeah. Shout out to MGF for playing me, teach me lessons.
What's up?
Production. Hey, shout out to Toby. Shout out to Toby.
Yeah, shout out to Toby.
This one is called Soul to Keep.
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing much to explain about it. I'm gonna need that to record that.
Big things, dog.
Big things, my dog.
On Soul to Keep, bro, like, feel like, being this cast, it talk like, being a con glalip so, like, angas because I learn, so each and every time, being vogue, I'm plug PC na la pang record. So I feel like, being a matimon or something, but yeah, bro, that's why I named the track Soul to Keep. Yeah. Any questions? Okay, let's move.
That's a sexual and the peace, ends on my heat. It's pretty peace, sexual and the peace, ends on my heat. It's pretty peace, sexual and the peace, ends on my heat. It's pretty peace, sexual and the peace, ends on my heat. It's pretty peace, 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 it's pretty peace. Kumele check, njalo muthi uyafika ntwana mina ngekho. Hlezi ngipeace, isiphithiphithi, yena engake, ngisho ngipeace. I need a peace, I need a peace, I need a peace. Isiphithiphithi for real, sexually get peace. Making this cheese, making this heat, gotta take care of my kids. Yeah, this is real, yeah. Isiphithiphithi, 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 they're gonna need it. They're gonna need it.
On this one, as I said, around April, 15 April, yeah, I dropped a tape titled The Prayer of the Broken Souls. And then Amachit, as a Kuluma now, we decided to make a joint EP, mixtape. Yeah. On another side, I'm planning a tape with Toby-san. On another side, I'm planning a tape with Legas. On another side, I'm planning a tape with Carry On. That's why I named the track is PCP, Sinhlalangi Peace, in my hits. Yeah, that's why the song came about.
Boy. So any views about this one? Hey, shout out Nabo Prada Bangena Manje Fire.
Yes.
Any views on this one? Agbe peace. So Mr. DJ, we're gonna continue, bro. The ball on him Nandi.
Stop playing, man, I'm doing classic. Come over. I'm told this cut it down. Making heat on the hottest beat. Oh, repeat, this is classic.
Alright, I preach on them back, bro.
Man, I'm a pasta, not too long la rasta. Girl, if your dreams are sex, huh? Getting us off now on text, here's a fucking class, so minus no more plus.
My shit just go right. Like Lou the Venom, so make a dance with your daddy. If you was a pop star, I'll show you going harder. Moving at the higher rate. Nah, you can't relate. Just watch the space.
Bitches wanna rock, but I'm not even on the dance.
I'm on this one. I'm on this one. I feel like every song I drop is a classic, cause like, bro, you can't compare me to this nigga, bro. Like, I got heat for days, bro. Yeah, I got heat for days, bro. Yeah, that's why I named this track Classic, bro. Cause I feel like I'm dropping classics. Yeah.
Shit for days.
I'm quite shit with my shit.
The class. Yeah, when you talk
Any
about
view?
class, bro, man, the Broski3s got class, man. Fuck out of here. Then go down.
Ish.
Move to the next song. Nah.
Have to.
Okay, move to the groove. Sashi silent groove. Lava mana, we gon' shoot to the moon. We gon' shoot to the moon. Okay, move to the groove. Sashi silent groove. Lava mana, we gon' shoot to the moon. We gon' shoot to the moon.
Mommy on the road, come through to the groove.
I said we got the juice, come through, so boom.
I'm out your way again, doing all these moves.
We go, shoot to the moon, I'm counting with my boys. Who to let do, please don't make no noise. Shake it, I'm fucking with the baddest. Tap it, I swear the groove is leading on the floor. I'm 6,000 shoes.
Okay, move to the groove. Yeah. Sashi silent groove. Lava mana, we gon' shoot to the moon. We gon' shoot to the moon. Okay, move to the groove. Yeah. Sashi silent groove. Lava mana, we gon' shoot to the moon. We gon' shoot to the moon.
Mommy on the road, come through to the groove.
Shout out to Toby Sam for this beat, bro.
Shout out to Toby, yo. Usifakele a challenge with this one because he was like, nali BT, Dropani, because we couldn't feature him with Nyingoma kule project, so he was like, I'm gonna contribute nali BT, so mele sil beat izinome kanjani. So nakhona ukugibela beat, it was ish.
This was
Bekunzima
tough,
because ngolalela lona le beat. Little rap, but manje ish. Yeah, we know those niggas. We wanna do something new every time. So that's why we're gonna shoot to the moon.
Yeah, tell them that you pull up with old school shit, bro.
So we're gonna go ahead and continue if anyone doesn't have any opinion about this one. Should we continue or
The name of this track is titled Groove.
move to the groove?
Yeah.
It's just the groove. Classic vibes.
I know it's time for my babies.
Oh, stand.
And so I wanna keep you. Don't give a fuck what I say too. And so I wanna keep you. Don't give a fuck what I say too. And so I wanna keep you. Don't give a fuck what I say too. Yeah, so I wanna keep you. Don't give a fuck what I say too.
I had late night calls. I had late night calls. I had late night calls. I had late night calls.
You been ringing on my phone, but she calling at this night. I really hate night calls. I really hate night calls. I really hate night calls.
I thought he said he told. So why you keep on calling in the middle of the night? Bitching you around, you fucking on my mood. From 98 to 0.
Sweetie, banga wizinto hamba ngo Dai, apa manze vele lava ho Swai, I sit down and spin the light Better go be right, yeah Say you gonna like that thing Girl, I wanna do you bad
I say I don't like that thing. I think I'm better off alone.
Thank you for your company Girl, I need you by my side Girl, I need you by my side
It's the Broski3s and Ellow, yeah. We got shit on side. Yeah, but we nice. She calling on my phone. I can't have that. Bitch, I'm in control. You can fool me no more. Nah, bitch, I'm in control. You can no more.
Why you keep calling on my phone? You remind me all
I'll be
night
all night.
I want you outside, since you wanna ride
Don't you ever lie.
Don't you ever lie
Don't you ever.
Let's spin this one, yo.
Yeah, this one is titled Phone. Yabo. Nenkulumo mpikiswano la phakathi kule ngoma le. So we're making all niggas relate. If ever mfethu hurt mfethu kule ngoma ya relate. If ever futhi ujabulile kule ngoma ya relate. For you just to listen.
Yes, sir, because most of us siyajola sonke labanye bayahetheka futhi.
Yes,
Take a
yes,
gun.
yeah.
I'm not saying the previous song. I'm not saying classic.
Yeah, classic.
It was classic. Now this one is a motherfucking classic. Or this one for me
Shout out.
is a motherfucking classic.
Okay, let's get in a debate, bro.
I only really can compare and put it. We could have done this, but this one,
Yeah.
it's a classic. This is a hit.
Okay, let's get in a debate, bro. Let's get in a debate, dog. It's only chance you stream the Prayer of the Broken Souls.
It's your project.
Yeah, my project. Streamer the tape, bro. Best boy again.
So what's your point?
Stream the tape, dog. Best boy again.
No, what's your point? Because right now we get.
I'm not sure like I only record classic. I only release classic.
Nah, okay. Now,
Yeah.
Ellow's on the Ellow.
what's your point?
Yes, sir.
But this one, classic. Classic. Yes.
Shout out, bro. Shout out, bro.
Yes, man. else? Anyone else before we
Can you repeat the song?
We don't repeat a song, bro. We don't repeat a song.
Man,
let's get litty with the cat when I be so juju, man. Tell me got the juice.
Why my bembona but give me good guy? Hating on a boy, my nigga, you go bye-bye.
How you hating on the boy? You my saga. Hey, I'm just busy on the number. You're my
Zami zako dola yini ngazidinga islama. Mina mphume jama opa keep it panga.
we do this shit, man, just to play the dollar. Yo, nana, ungazopanga. Kumbula pe. Dala,
Mkumbulu nathanda zomntwana bebambanga. Manje makabona mina ufisa nganyambamba.
kumbula pe. Ngenamba sakataza. Dizigalo, sakataza.
Seshubisi Kalangani kati funubisi
Anglo ni roto maranganya cheese.
Mase tripa tina tiwas ni jele Wazi mpuza pingi puza ekembe
any comments? Any comments?
Lana batshele boy, okay, lana le ngoma leyasidlalanga la. La machita kwagodola avila ngijuma nama say yo El kuni cross night must yo amachita yo. Manje nginale inkinga ukuthi mina ngikhona ukuxosha umuntu because like ngidiniwe. Ngikhohle. Awuyeka amachita record unjunju. Yo.
No case umile ngento.
Hey no case ngapha na.
Recorder full line uhambe. Level.
Ish. Alright, this was Sam's idea, bro, on this track.
Oh, Junju, we just go with the goofy vibes. You don't have to be serious all the time, young talk. And you don't champion from the preacher, but dog. Don't be stuck when you want to improve. Just do your thing. And these type of songs, these are the told to trend and a TikTok as a challenge. When I'm busy, the plan function about to something stories and bro, we have a board. Sometimes do it for fun, so born to the continue. Sakubel. What's that? Play the beat.
I have to screwed up. 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 I have to fucking see it up. Nigga, you lame, screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. I have to fucking see it up. Nigga, you lame, screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. Screwed up. I say that to enjoy like my Simba. Mighty pull up with a scooter. When I got Sam, I got dealer. Now me shine a jura. The Mali by keep Mandela. I'ma tell you any dollar one get. Only thing on some 9 scooter. I scooter love boy.
School out, cause you nigga, you just fell off. Back off. I'ma go. On you? I swear my niggas will fuck you up. I beg you please don't fuck it up. Yeah, fuck you up. All my niggas will fuck you up. Screwed up. I tell these boys, busy shit.
Better go down, down, down. That's good. Better go down, down.
Wow.
Strong money will fuck you up, bro. Like. Hey, just go ahead, bro.
Who made this beat? This beat is fucking crazy. Who made this fucking beat? Some crazy ass beat. I did this beat is motherfucking crazy. I'm gonna shoot you better. I'm gas. Listen, man, that's just true. I'm not saying. I had the lyrics, the things he did which were on the Nanja, state sensitive, right? And it's a great combo. Broski3s also, which he was showing me still single over and one of the but my book one was all I do pizza. The only niggas who does this shit are Kendrick. Kendrick does this shit. So you. Let's like this beat. I'm an artist, I'm not in the new record. I want to go into
Any questions, Machita?
Questions, embono phela ayifuneki nana questions. I think because manje lana sizocela kahle.
I think I had to raise one, yabo.
Oh yeah.
Ngisuthela ngibuze nami, yabo. I think I've been up and down, yabo. Administrative type of shit, yabo. Ngisuthela ngilapana kwezo uqala mabhuku lapha administrative. Maybe this is the question I should ask after. Where do you see yourself? Where do you actually want to see the project going to? Because there are a lot of cats who actually release a lot of music, that are team. What is an ultimatum? Where do you guys see yourself putting the calendar? With this project, you just want to impress your friends, or you just want to go an extra mile?
Maybe I can answer that.
Project,
specifically for the project. Yes, my guy, I can answer that proudly. For this project, it's lokala kithi njoba see the Broski3s sithi sizodropa angambali ukuthi it's a collab yabo thina kuyithi si Broski3s sizodropa kokuqala so kuyithi sazoshare mpethu ukuthina ukuthi into esizoyenza thina injani since we've never dropped singakaze sadropa anything sizodropa nali tape sihamba na Ellow so we're going to share the ideas as now as the Broski3s na Ellow on top of this project we're gonna do visuals safuna ama-interviews not just emkhondo kuphela we need gigs not just emkhondo kuphela with this project so i-aim yethu yileyo asikabeki ukuthi lizosithatha lisibeke kuphi lona yabo mara thina ukuthi sisebenze ngalo sizosebenza ngalo kuphi nakuphi.
And follow-up questions.
Another thing, on my sub, bro, I don't rap to impress. I'm here to address, bro. Cause like, so was my first time, bro. Kalelu was PC crashy, dog. Like, Kali in business, but cause the aim face was never to impress friends, dog. Lento siyenza ngokuthi sayithanda, dog. And it's a phone force. You can do anything, dog, just to get it. Yeah.
And then I know, but I had a follow-up question. Don't be when you want to say.
Let's go with the follow-up question.
Don't be. I had a follow-up question. Do you guys see yourself Hotel and Kambe launching somewhere else? Because Heroes is our home, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So do you guys actually see yourself doing the same thing that you're doing here somewhere else other than like her?
Yes, again. Yes. Because in Joangisho, we use benefit a lot. Site in money. One, exposure. Two, experience. Ukamba nasendaweni ehlukile. Perform abantu ongabazi. Le nto leyo uyayidinga as an artist, bro. Keep the stage ungasijwayelanga. Uyangithola. So we need that. Yizo zonke izinto esi-ready for zona with this tape. Yes.
What if they make a good team? What's going to happen to now? What's going to happen to Munani? What up now? I'm listening to good music. My music, you guys so let's say to you, as friends, since one of the three of them, it's all I always put it out.
Like, I removed Toby-san from the tape. I removed Toby-san from the tape. Who was supposed to be on the tape. And Nandi and I get KCP. Both of them are planning something, bro. Like, they are planning to work on a tape.
Yakhona into bengamela ngabe sesiyayiveza. Ngalesikhathi lesi angasitholanga ukuthi abe khona kule tape le. We still gonna put her with deluxe esazoshaya follow up yalina tape le. Bese she's planning another tape with Toby-san, so angaqedi, you're not giving us a chance to continue. He asked about the trio, ukuthi whatever. Ukuthi mangabe thiwa sibayithanda. Okay.
Ellow, what's going to happen to now?
That's the question.
What's going to happen to her? Yeah. Nothing. She's still part of the crew. She's still one of the Broski3s. I guess she's next.
Good man. Oh, good man. Good man.
I need to comment because Sasa ibona one of the people ababona ngapha. Abomba ngishutha machine. I'm gonna be one of the people abakhulu babuze.
Yeah.
Because kusasa you're gonna be one of the people abazoba famous. So I need to know I'm a fan.
Bless, man.
So what's going on there? This is a dispensation. I need to ask.
Bless. Round of applause for the children.
Simple question. Do you guys have a manager? Where do we book you and all of that? How do we book you?
You come straight to us. We don't have a manager.
Yet.
Because sisayifaka enkingeni esingakazazi ukuthi ezani. So if you want to book us, you simply come to us and sitshele ngaleyo gig sikubuza ukuthi how we're gonna, how the deal's going.
And my payment I'm making.
I love the yet.
My payment anja.
Yeah, yet.
Yeah, I love the yet. Then I told you situation. That's why I'm saying I love the yet part. That's why I'm saying I love the yet part. And also I love the response. I think we end, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Nago when you said you're not doing it to impress and all of that, because a lot of artists fall into the trap because they want to be famous now, and they want to get rich now, and then they forget to read the finer details. So I'm very happy. Take your time in looking for a suitable mentor for you. I also want to go to land labels or audit. Where do you see yourself? 5 years time. Where do you see yourself? Project. So yeah, take your time. Before you can approach somebody. I've had situations of people who wanted to be famous. Someone was like to me, hey, please be my manager, you can even take 50% of whatever that I'm making. So that's the mistake that you guys are making because you want to be famous now. So the yet part, I love it. Take your time and then it's autonomous.
So I think we're gonna continue now.
It is for season, bro. You clearly see Broski3s and Ellow song, bro. You get some drugs in your system, bro. Hey, I'm talking about like some beat up in this shit. Some beat up in this shit. Shit.
We gon' sign all these checks, got no beat, my dog. Beat, my dog. Reaching alle Wellen, aber heute sind die Lemminas und die Bären. Pack ich just bring out some money cat.
Pedi na mapawa. Shota. No shot. Short down.
So, this one is titled Pity. We dropped this as a singing for Isiphithiphithi tape. So, we may go as we go. Because when going inside, I don't have to explain it because we not doing this of cutting team. Pity, mapakola kanje na ingaqhubeka sambe. Ngibona izandla.
Nyamuza samumu ngamuza no Ellow yakhuluma sini tu anikaze kwa Broski3s mina ngwazi ukuthi wona umfuzi wona ngwazi ukuthi ngisamukele mina ma Broski3s let's say separate who are you igama lakho ngazi ukuthi okay kuzisi ilo no Ellow vele ngiyazi featured on the album
No, it's not featured. Working together.
Yeah, you're working together, but there's Broski3s X Ellow, not featuring Ellow, X Ellow. Ngubani kuzisi ngubani samumu kuzisi samumu beza ngakuzisi kanti ngazona igama elisha ekumele ngilazi no it's ngiyambona Ellow igama lakhe kuzisi ngibani
Oh, okay, mfethu. Udumi lo, Dumisani mfethu. Thulani, Zikalala. Yabo. My stage name, yabo, it's Dumi. Do me. Yes. Yes, baba.
Then I guess I'm Sam Ski, the one and only. Suspect for Sam. Intro vele ingango baba. Sam the Jaden.
Mambo ya huo. Wana it can say. We have so fucking it can see.
Yeah, I vibe with Captain vibes.
I wonder from what I've been hearing, I'm not saying Ellow or Uto. What's in me now? I'm saying my preference.
Yes.
And then you sound. Select your sound. When you found your sound from this symbol over. And say it's opening from you inside. I know this is. Oh, Sam. Like, I'm thinking of putting baby voice. Like the sound, how you cadence. Like this is like that on the
Siyabonga kwabafikile. Sibonga support yenu. Isiphithiphithi sizophuma nge-date.
Watch it.
Yes.
Thanks to everybody who pull out, guys. We really appreciate it, so proud. Yeah, we really do.
Hey, it's Isiphithiphithi.
Umlilo isiphithiphithi ngempela. Patiently waiting for it. Patiently waiting for it. siphithizele kakhulu kunalo. Yeah, the
Issue.
decision was fine.
Khuluma no-producer, Mr. Pro.
Mina, I'm gonna say to Amajita, keep on spanning, man. Keep on spanning. Yakad, my face. Yakad, keep on working. Keep on working. My face, let's represent the cast. Show them who we are. It's my combi, so we can do this shit. Shout out to my face, who's Isiphithiphithi. Isiphithiphithi.
Isiphithiphithi, that's all I can say. Maybe Isiphithiphithi.
Yo man, enjoyed the project. It was very fun. I wanted to ask the niggas ukuthi chemistry yabo studio because uDumi no Sam because they already have chemistry. I wanted to ask Ellow ukuthi ufile kanjani. Azange feel ukuthi abe ku comfort zone yakhe kanjani, but I really enjoyed the project and it motivated me as an artist. So yeah, it's really great.
Alright. Ellow.
Yo. But I don't know if it's like on my side, enjoy this banana machi. Dog. Just like this like ish. That's my team. Cause like yeah, I really want to Gaspar. I'm not going but I fuck with their vibe though. They're cool too.
Like Amajita dope, kakhulu. Jobashilo, boy wonder like someone to be tell and that is about artist and all I can say is Amajita will push on span. This is big, yo. Yeah.
Hey, I'd like to say, Imagiteni, just keep that shit up, my fire too. The project is dope. See, enjoy it and that's not my assist. Safunguzwa more, it come we're willing to hear more. So then shout out.
Yo, what's up? I don't have much to say, but I have some pictures of Majita who is Isiphithiphithi. Why so sad? Because man, no man. Session was fun.
How do you feel about the project? Did you enjoy the listening session? What's your take?
The project. The songs, all the songs are dope. But for me, I'm shit that.
But it was particularly in a good relax.
Yeah, so that would relax, but shit that. Otherwise, the project is very dope.
So, what I'm man.
Okay. He's busy. It's fun. What we are experiencing right now, like for the new age, it's a face of its kind, man. You know, it's a face of its kind because I think it's about like it's an adjustment to the new school. But they've changed their sound. Leave them as they are. Whoever is trying to judge them, leave them as they are. Make sure they are comfortable in whatever they do. That's the thing that's because bangabantu about experimental. They are not afraid. They are trying to experiment some sounds. You could have, anyone else could have like asked for why not featuring this nigga, why not featuring whoever, but they are doing their own thing. It's a beautiful thing. The only thing that we need to do for us as Mukon 23, we need to support them. It's a big energy. OWDIT. My name.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Ski.
What's wavy?
Nothing much but the way, my guy.
Issue. Where we at with the project?
I was actually unfortunate with because I pulled up a bit late. But I'm pretty sure what my guys are working on is always going to be amazing. So I trust.
Trust it. Trust. Mr. S.
The light is too much. I think I've always loved the Broski3s. The first time I saw them performing, I was taken away. So there's consistency in whatever they are doing, and I'm happy about that. I love it, and I just hope Muti they find a very good manager somebody who's going to put them on the map, because I feel they don't deserve to be here. Their stuff is too good. I'm already seeing music videos trending. I'm already seeing the challenges and all of that. And I must say, I enjoy it. I'm not a hip hop fan or this new age music. I'm not really a fan of that, but I've actually enjoyed watching them. And I've seen the passion they are displaying whenever they are performing and all of that. And I wish the best for them. And Babe right, man. We'll try by all means opportunity Siva Black and right so that we can see them. I'm already seeing them on Channel O, MTV Base, Mnet and so on. So yeah, shout out to them and very good work.
Bless. Can you Joncha, you can win?
Am I supposed to say who I am? I am my face. Okay?
I know now, not now.
I am my face. Okay? I think what becomes important for me as an independent artist who is as successful as I am is doing. Products are more important than anything, because once there is a product, we are able to then have a conversation. We are able to start answering other questions. Who is the product for? Who are you trying to get to? Who are you talking to? If you are saying to me you are addressing, you know. I am happy because there is a product. And then it becomes important to know that if the business is not clear from the beginning, where are we trying to land? It becomes difficult to end up where you do not know where you are going. So you aim at nothing, you achieve nothing. And also, I love the individuality and the willingness to take risks as far as the music is concerned. And I think what becomes important, as much as everybody says what they believe and what they see, it becomes important to understand your strengths, right? Especially when we are playing this media vibe, because it's not everybody who is able to handle the talking on behalf of. It's not everybody who's able to address the PR according to. So if we are a unit, it's always fantastic because there is somebody who's able to do it. And when you watch what has happened today, you would notice, okay, this one is able to handle PR based on this. And this one is able to handle just the vibes for the sake of this is how good we look. And as soon as we understand that, the business becomes easier to navigate. And I think the last thing, they were only guys here, literally, machita through and through.
Gender balance.
It goes back to the question: who are we making the music for? And if we are making the music for everybody across board, why made you know? To show what the music actually allows for that openness. But over and above that, I'm happy there is a product. I am happy how much diaspora, they know I love their work. Too beautiful. More and more and more and more and more. Sure.
Issue. Wave. Bless. Speak, my dog.
Some beat up in this shit.
Some beat. Expose it. Expose it. The whole team member. Aye. Don't justify. Why explain?
We gon' sign all these checks, got no beat. Beat.
I got here late, but I'm sure that the boys killed it. That's why I'm out here, exposing myself.
I'm shy. Feeling bad. I was here, I'm sure, but I know the Ellow and the Broski3s killed it. I don't care what you think about it. I don't care what I think about it. Fuck what you think. It's okay.
Hey, fuck what you think.
Fuck what man, fuck you.
Issue. Bless. Issue.
Bless my dog.
We gon' sign all these checks, got no beat my dog.
Zelos die scènes om iets is lá.